All right, guys, it's March. Let's get to the hustle. Today we're gonna go out and do a driveway the customer just wants. It's a long dirt road driveway. They got like an equestrian horse farm deal going on, and they didn't want the whole driveway done, so we're just gonna fill in all the massive holes and get it all smoothed out and graded up for them and be on to the next one. Got the skid steer all loaded up today. Got the old Ford, new truck's already in the shop. Can't make nothing nowadays that's good, but it's all good. We'll get on with it and we'll get going.